Hi everyone, my name is Rajashekar. Welcome to my channel. This video is about the version 2 of DMX template for Castle which I prepared. I'll be sharing you all the templates sometime soon. Let's quickly look into the light groups and controls which I've created in Chamsys for Unreal Engine. So let's get started. And to start with, the layout 1 is the maxed out view of all the group of lights in the scene. And layout 2 is again group of lights along with position. And 3 is color and beam.